The Events module is an easy way to add a calendar to your website. To add the Events module, we'll simply select it from our Select a Module drop-down list. We'll give it a title. In this case, we'll call it Calendar. We'll decide which pane we'd like to put it in, and we'll click Add. When we do that, we can come down to our top pane here, and we see that we have a module title called Calendar, and we have the calendar here that's sitting in this top pane. Now, to add an event to this calendar, it's as easy as rolling over this blue drop-down arrow, choosing Add Event, putting in a title for the event. Let's call it Potluck. Choosing a date. Let's say we wanted to do this on December 9th. And the time, it's going to be, most potlucks are at 12:30. And it'll last for a couple hours, so we'll go till 2:30. So now we've got our title, Potluck, our start date and end date. That's all both on December 9th, and our start time and end time. There's a couple other options that you can explore there. Next we have what are the notes. So the title is going to show up on the actual calendar. The notes are going to show up when someone clicks on the title. So, and you can type as much as you want in here. You can also put, this is the Rich Text Editor. So if you've watched the tutorial on the Rich Text Editor, you know you can put links and images and tables and smiley faces. You can put HTML code in there, all kinds of stuff. In this case, we'll just keep it really simple. You've got a few other options here, and we're going to go through those in a later tutorial. But for now, I'm just going to come down and click Update and show you what this looks like. So now we see that we're looking at December, and on December 9th, we have this potluck. And if I roll over potluck, I'll see the description there, and the start date, start time, and so forth. If I click on potluck, I'll see actually, you know, the actual description of the event come up. I have this little link so I can export the event to my desktop if I want. Since I'm logged in as an administrator, I can edit the event by clicking here or delete the event by clicking there. But that's really the basics of the Announcements module. It's a way to add events to a calendar. In later tutorials, we'll show you all the ins and outs of how you can get real creative and clever with this module.